Looking for a natural immunity boost? This is it. Hi and welcome back to my channel. All you need is dried hibiscus, papaya, cinnamon, and that's it. In your pot or your saucepan, put some water and the hibiscus and cinnamon. Bring them to boil. Then after it boils, strain it and let it cool. Now add everything into the blender, the papaya and the hibiscus, and blend until smooth. After blending, pour it into your glass. It's so refreshing, vibrant, and perfect for your immune system. Here I added some lemon, but you can add honey for more sweetness. Follow for more recipes. Stay healthy.